Hello, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to fix, I'll show you and explain all of the buttons on this remote control on a TCL air conditioning. Now, this is the on-off button. That's how you switch the air conditioning on and off. Yeah. We'll switch it on for now. Modes first. We got the cooling mode here on the top. Can you see? This is the cooling mode. And then when we press the mode button, it will go through drying mode. That's only a fan, not heating mode, but fan mode, heating, and that's the automatic mode. I would suggest only using cooling and heating. Yeah, I'm pressing the mode button. Next, arrows here on the side point towards the temperature. I will lower it down because it's very hot in here. Now it's a summer, it's 30 degrees outside. And the temperature is showing onto the screen on the air conditioning as well. Now, this air conditioning, which is the, I don't remember the model, it got a gentle wind button. Can you see here, gentle wind? If you look on the flaps inside, can you see the flaps right there? Not the horizontal, but the vertical one. When you press the gentle wind button, the flaps will close. Should close. Oh no, it's only when it's cooling. Okay. Cooling mode. And the flaps will close now. So the gentle wind button actually closing the flaps. Now we will switch off the gentle wind button. This will get the flaps in the last position. And we'll get to these two buttons here and there. This is for the louvers to go up and down, left and right. With this one, the one on the left, it goes, the horizontal louver goes up and down. Now it's going down and it will go up in a second. And with the right one, you can set the vertical flaps to go left and right. Okay. Now, with the fan button, you can adjust the speed of the fan. This is the strongest mode possible, turbo mode. Can you see here? We got a button for the turbo mode as well. And we got a very gentle, like almost no noise. Can you see here? Button. Now, turbo mode, as I said, it's making the air conditioning blow as fast as possible. I'll just lower the temperature, it's so hot, I'm sweating. There we go. Now, I feel button activates a function that enables the air conditioning to feel the temperature on the outside and inside, and to send signals to optimize the temperature inside the room. Yeah, I didn't feel no difference when I pressed it. Gen button, it's used for, I'll show you now, it's off now. It will only use 70% on L3, 50% on L2, and 30% on L1. Of the power that is actually needed for the compressor. So if your light blinks when you turn your air conditioning, that's when you need to use the gen button. Okay. Timer, when the air conditioning is on, you can set a time until the air conditioning is off, and with the arrows here you can adjust it to, let's say, 8 hours. This will send a signal for the air conditioning to switch off in 8 hours. If the air conditioning is switched off and you press the timer button, you can set the air conditioning, let's say, in 1 hour to turn on in the last setting that this was in. Yeah, so it was, if it was in cooling 22 degrees, now in 1 hour it will set on in cooling in 22 degrees. We'll set it on now to turn on because I'm boiling. With the display button, with the echo button, when you turn on the echo button, it has a map written inside the air conditioning, and it will make it economical in some way. I don't know what way, because I can't measure the power that comes in to the air conditioning, but that's what is the button. It will maybe heat up and cool down slower. Health button, it will draw outside air into the room if you have it. To turn it on and off is just pressing the button. Same with the echo button. Yeah. I would suggest not using the Q button. I don't think it's making any difference. Now the display button, it turns off and on the light there when you hold it and press it and hold it. 8 degrees Celsius button, when you press this one and this one together, this enables the air conditioning to stay in standby until the temperature in the room is lower than 8 degrees Celsius. It will heat it up to 18 and it will turn off. To switch it off, just press for 2 seconds again. There we go. And now it's switched off. There we go. Now, chill hot function is just pressing, depending if you're in cooling mode, it will have a chill wind function, and if you're in heating mode, it will have a hot wind function. Again, press the 2 buttons together. There we go. Now it's in heating, it will have a hot wind function. If you go in a cooling mode, if you have a cold wind function. Pressing them together, you can see here this button. Okay. And the timer I explained, the echo, the display, the health, the clean, the gen. I think that's it. Well, I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you on to the next one. Bye bye.